लेकर आई हूँ आप सबके लिए एक DIY सोप मेकिंग किट बाय कलाकरम, जो कि अभी हम साथ में अनबॉक्स करेंगे एंड लेट्स सी हाउ वी कैन मेक अमेजिंग हैंडमेड सोप्स फ्रॉम दिस। We have the step-by-step guide, shea butter soap base, all of these ink dyes that can be used to provide the color of your soap. This is a cute tumbler that can be used to melt the shea butter into the microwave. As you can see, it has all the dimensions and the liter capacity mentioned on the mug. We have these 4 set of amazing essential oils for you to add your favorite to the soap. And last but not the least, we have this mixing twig. We have these amazing flower dried up petals for you to add into your soaps for the essential oil to stay for longer, and it also makes it prettier. We have three different petals here. As you can see, rose petals, jasmine petals, and lavender seeds. And this is your pink mold in which you will be placing our mold to set and wait for it to dry. As you can see, I've quickly mixed up all the ingredients that I wanted. I've made it orange and I have spread some dried leaves into my mold, and I've also mixed up cinnamon essential oil to my mold, and I'm going to pour it all into the mold. Here I've mixed pink, blue, and as you can see, it's a very nice purple color that we formed. And I've mixed lavender essential oil into it. Quickly gonna pour it. As you can see, I've quickly poured up all the liquid soap into the mold, and now we will allow it to rest for another 45 minutes, and then I'm going to show you the result. As you can now see, the soaps are all dried up and ready to take out of the mold. I'm going to quickly label these with my favorite wrapping. Here are my soaps ready. Hope you liked the video and the easy soap making process through Kalakaram kit. If you are looking to buy more such kits for your kids or for adults at home, do feel free to check the description box below for the link, and you can use my code to get 10% extra discount on their kits. Thank you so much. Bye bye.